My Lord, my name is Ndegwa Njiru. I have sat here for approximately 10 hours listening to this judgment. I certainly have heard you clearly and the disposition. Equally, despite it being the judgment of the court, I do not agree with some of the issues that the court has deliberated and the conclusion the court has arrived at. And most importantly, my Lord, when we came before you, we only did not just come for judicial recommendations on legislations. We thought that, my Lord, will leave this court with a clear judgment on how a violation ought to be dealt with. When we came before you, my Lord, and we moved you, most importantly, on the issues of constitutionality of the manner in which the proceedings were conducted, we did not come here for a remedy of a legislation. It will not benefit my clients whatsoever. And for that reason, my Lord, and granted the dissatisfaction with your judgment, I have equally advised my clients for the 4th to the 49 petitioners to launch and prefer an appeal. For that reason, my Lord, would wish to be supplied with certified copies of the proceedings, the judgment, and the transcript. And for the reason, my Lord, that we need the transcript is that, my Lord, part of what was delivered by Justice Murima when he was deliberating on the issue of the plenary and the committee, I can tell you, I had never heard what he said and what he concluded. I therefore, my Lord, would wish to have the transcript provided in verbatim, so that, my Lord, we're able to deliberate and internalize them. We are otherwise not dissatisfied. We are otherwise dissatisfied, and we shall not watch when the Constitution is being buried. Thank you. My Lord, I'm equally instructed by Kibe Mungai to make the same application. He has equally instructed me to inform the court that it's important that we don't preside over the funeral of our Constitution.
My lords and my lady, I'm Phyllis Wangui Kamau, appearing for the 43rd petitioner, and I wish to associate myself with the submissions of Senator Manzo because the decision finds us in a constitutional absurdity.
When her leadership, the Justice Dr. Mugambi, was reading part of the judgment, if I heard correctly, she said that the 10th respondent, UDA, filed written submissions on 28th August 2026. If my hearing is correct, then quite manifestly that is a typo that the court might wish to correct. Secondly, the first petitioner applies to have a copy of the judgment, one, and two, typed copies of the proceedings, and three, a complete set of the video recording of the proceedings. We would wish to have those as quickly as possible, of course, upon payment of the necessary court fees. It's a long judgment, and I am sure the first petitioner will want to be advised once we as counsel understand each of the issues addressed in the judgment. This honorable court has rendered its opinion. So there is nothing to be raised with this Honorable Court. But once we understand each issue by reading the judgment, the proceedings, and the video recording, we will then be in a position to advise the first petitioner, for example, on whether to pursue his other rights, as this court has indicated.
May it please you, my lords, my lady. Njeri Maina for the third petitioner. I wish to request for the typed certified proceedings, the certified judgment, and my lords, my lady, for the tidiness of the proceedings, I request on behalf of all other petitioners in this matter. The third petitioner has already filed their notice of appeal. We request that you expedite the proceedings and the judgment so that we can take it on from here. Thank you.